James. Wiggins from outside. Drains the three-pointer. From three. First quarter still, but not who you want to lead up. What a dribble move by LeBron. All you can do is sit back and admire it.
We just got to stay on him at the arc on the inside. We can't let him give our defenders a slip. So the defense is going to try to stay as glued to the nimble Wiggins.
So it's the Lakers now. The Warriors getting their last shot to go. James, that's good. And that's the end goal. Green against James. The kick out to Wiggins. And that comes off the assist by Green. Here's James. Coming off a terrific game against Atlanta. Oh, LeBron hammers it home.
One of the most ferocious dunkers we've ever seen. James still enjoys putting on a show.
And how about our AT&T 5G Slam Cam? The Lakers with a rebound. Wiggins from long range. Drills it from deep. He has 6 seasons before they got Steph, Clay, and Dre.
And you know, BA, from 1978 to 2012,
They met Chimura outside. It's James on the wing. Hits a three-pointer.
It's why teams try to avoid the mid-range jumper these days.